Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing good. Welcome back with another new video tutorial. In this video I will tell you about the dual apps in your device Vivo Y76 5G. So if in this device you want to download the dual apps, or you can say the clone apps, like you already have one but you want to download another same app in your device, you can easily do this by the method as I will show you in this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Now follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn about the dual apps in your device. Let's watch it.